I finally found a very stable Gcam 7.3 port running on the Redmi Note 7 Pro, and if you guys are interested, I will give you the download link in the description. So watch this video till the end, let's get started. Starting off, the icon you guys might be familiar with. So now let's just open the app and show you guys what are the features. You guys can see at the bottom we have all the features such as portrait mode, night sight, video mode and more. So almost all the features work in this smartphone. The night sight is amazing, portrait mode takes some amazing blur background photos, video mode can record 4K video at 30 fps with no problem and lag, and you can even record at 24 fps which is suitable for recording films. So yeah, that is amazing. Then at that little arrow at the top, you can change the settings and you can even go to the original setting by tapping that setting icon from the little arrow at the top. Then you have a lot of options, like you can enable video stabilization, you have the option to record 4K Ultra HD video from both the cameras and they work very well. Now let's go to the video modes and see. So as you guys can see, the video works very well. Now let me show you other features such as time lapse. So time lapse we have a lot of options like 5x, 10x, 30x and 120x. So it's showing you which option is best for which need. So if you guys wanna go 5x, it's gonna say good for lively groups and good for walking, good for busy spots and good for sunsets. So this is how this works, and it kind of feels very nice and mature. Then we have photosphere and the panorama. All these modes work very well. Now let's just switch to the selfie camera and see how that performs. So switching to the selfie camera, you guys can see that my face is looking very clear and the dynamic range is also looking good in the preview as well. Now let me show you one crazy feature, that is the zoom. We have 10 times zoom in this Redmi Note 7 Pro using the Gcam 7.3 port, and it is super sharp. So I'm gonna give you the live demonstration. Just take a photo of this thing and see guys, this is super sharp and I just quite love this. So the zoom quality is amazing. It is the best available on this smartphone. And yeah, the quality does not degrade even after zooming 100 times, so that is insane. Now let's just use the HDR plus enhance. So I use that mode to get this picture, and as you guys can see, the background, the foreground, everything is well exposed and even the shadows are not crushed. They are well lit and exposed. So overall I quite like this Gcam mode, and if you guys want to download this, the link is in the description. And if this video helps you, please subscribe my channel for more videos like this. I will keep making videos, and I love you guys comment, so please comment me another topic for which I should make another video. And this is it. Thanks for watching. This video took a really long time in making, so a subscription would be massively appreciated. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.